In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for mobile devices using the Wix editor. As more people browse the web on their phones and tablets, having a mobile-friendly site is crucial. Not only does it improve user experience, but it also boosts your site's visibility in search engines. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open the Wix editor for your site. You'll find the editor is a robust tool, giving you control over the layout, design, and functionality. It's an excellent choice for personal or professional websites. Now, your first task is to enable the mobile editor. You'll notice in the top bar an icon that looks like a phone. Click on it. This will switch you to the mobile view of your website. With just one click, you're now working in an environment tailored for mobile optimization. Once you have the mobile editor up, it's time to adjust elements that may not automatically translate well from the full desktop version. Websites can look very different on a smaller screen, so this step is critical. Begin by scrutinizing the layout. Consider how your pages look on a vertical screen. Does the content flow well? Or do you need to rearrange some sections? The Wix mobile editor allows you to drag and drop elements easily. For instance, placing the most essential information towards the top of the page ensures it's seen quickly by visitors. Next, evaluate your text. It's important to maintain readability. You may want to increase the font size slightly for better legibility on smaller devices. Remember, what looks good on a computer screen could appear tiny and cramped on a smartphone, so make sure your fonts are large enough and there's adequate spacing between lines and paragraphs. Images are another aspect to focus on. High-quality visuals are engaging, but ensuring they scale appropriately for mobile devices is vital. You might find some images need resizing or repositioning to fit well within the mobile framework. The last thing you want is an oversized image taking up too much screen space or important parts of your content going unseen. Check any interactive elements, such as buttons and links, to make sure they're easily tappable. These need to be large enough so that a user can comfortably interact with them without accidentally clicking the wrong element. This can make a substantial difference in user satisfaction and accessibility. After making all necessary adjustments, it's crucial to save your work. Navigate to the top right corner of the editor and click that Save button. This step ensures your mobile optimization efforts are fully integrated. You can always preview how your site appears by switching between the mobile and desktop views, giving you a clear picture of the improvements you've made. There you have it. Your website is now optimized for the best possible user experience on mobile devices. This will not only help keep your audience engaged, but can also improve your site's performance overall. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in optimizing your site for mobile users.